All bad. This is a video I really didn't even want to make, man. But anyways, what's good, y'all? It's your boy ZT Zoomin, and I'm back with another booming video for you guys. So you guys know I got to keep it 100 with you guys at all times on this channel. I know you guys run into things just like I do. It happens. Things happen. What you gonna do? It is what it is. So, my door sill. When I was removing the front seats, that damn driver's side was giving me so much trouble. And you guys know I'm a one-man show. I like to do everything myself. And so I'm trying to maneuver and finesse that thing back in there. Bah! Dented up the door sill. So I bought a brand new door sill. There it is, GM Parts Store. Brand new 50 door sill, because the 50 door sills are illuminated. The regular Camaros do not have the lights in them like the 50s do, so I wanted to make sure that I got one of these, especially it's a limited edition car, so before they even stop making 50 stuff. So that's what we're getting to today. But first off, let me tell you guys why I have not been posting. I have been getting down over here at the shop, you guys. So if you guys don't know, as you can see here, this is a tin roof. Now this tin roof has been up for about 25 years. When this thing was put on, it was put on with nails that have a rubber seal around the head. Over the years, that rubber seal has deteriorated and this thing was leaking like crazy. Check out what I was doing, man. This is day one. What's good, YouTube? Where some of the nail holes were on the roof, it's began to leak in a couple of spots. So we got a coating and we're gonna trim up some trees that are around the shop, put some scaffolding up, hop up there, roll this coating on. Now I don't show you guys around the outside of the shop too much. It needs a little bit of TLC. You guys saw how much work I put in like 2 months ago getting the inside of this place cleaned out. It's finally time to start taking care of the outside a little bit. Taking it on the scaffolding. About to get this knocked out. We've just been blowing all the leaves and all this dirt off. We might end up hosing it off, letting it dry overnight. See, this tree's cut. We just got to get the branches off the damn roof. So if you guys look here, a coating was actually put on this roof, I don't know, probably 10, 15, 20 years ago. And it's pretty good on the back side. But on this side is where it's all come off. This is where most of the leaking was. I don't know about you guys, but I don't love heights. Sketchy. We're looking pretty damn good now. Got pretty much most of this sprayed off. And whoa, icy, man. Hell no, I ain't trying to go down there. Please don't slip off. How is we gonna do this, YouTube? Oh, do not want to go this thin ass corrugated steel, because up here there's no brace until I get down to where those nails are. So, oh, damn, that's sketchy. Got my heart pumping. Oof. Oof. Finished, you guys. Looking good, looking good. This is all the shit that I was squirting off from the roof. Not looking forward to that cleanup. And now this was day 2. Day 3. Well, it's day 3, you guys. We're still working on the roof. We've got almost one side entirely coated. We're on the second side. Man, it's beautiful up here, you guys. Sorry about that sun, but face all greased up, man. I had to put some sunscreen on, which you can see been burning your boy up. Still got that section. We got all that done. And then we got the other side of this baby. Love my beautiful state. Whew, didn't know if we'd make it here, guys, but made it to the back of the shop. This is the back side. Let's get it knocked out. Cool, got this section knocked out right here. Still got the, I don't know, a little bit more than half, maybe 2/3 left, but nothing major. if you see in these spots here where it looks like we've got a lot of runs coming down, that's actually exactly how we want it, because in the valleys, you know, it just feels all around those nail heads that are sticking up, seep down into the hole a little bit to make sure we get a good seal. Sorry if the wind noise is crazy. I'm up here, got the wind whipping around for show. Got about 2/3 knocked out on this backside. Look at that beautiful sunset. Day 4, and I got this thing done. Man, when I tell you guys that was a process, you've got no idea. I have blood, sweat, and tears in that thing, man, getting it knocked out. And I just realized I forgot to film like a final video of it completely finished. But the scaffolding is no longer up or anything. I've got my cell phone here. As you can see, we got the tripod here. I'm gonna try to get my cell phone on the tripod and get it up on the roof and try to get you guys an angle that you can hopefully see what it looks like finished. So boom, there it is. That's what it looks like. Now, as you guys can see in some of the valleys, there's a little bit of buildup, but just like I was telling you with those nails, we wanted a little bit of buildup in the valley, so we tried to lay it on extra thick. You can see we got like a little bit of runs in some spots, but that's exactly what we wanted, so it seeps in down around the nail hole. That should seal it good. It says it's supposed to keep it about 10 to 15 degrees cooler inside of the shop. Will that work? Who freaking knows? But I can tell you what, just coming in here from being outside right now where I filmed that little clip for you guys, it is noticeably cooler in here. Seems like it's working so far. Let's get into this video now. Let's get this door sill swapped out. Look at this. I ordered this all the way back on September 4th, right after I put my seats in. I just been sitting on it all this time. Like I said, I was really just gonna put it on and not say nothing, but then that ain't authentic, man. I gotta keep it a buck with y'all. Rip this thing open. Sounds like it's just loose in there. What'd I say? Just loose in there. $200 for this little 2-foot piece. That's crazy. $200. $200 for this. Come on, Chevy. Let's get it put on. So let's go ahead and get this door seal popped out of here. It should be pretty simple. I think it's just gonna pop right up, so yeah, let's just go for it. It's the best lighting I could get. I hope that works for you guys. So this plate should just pop right out of here. Wasn't too bad to pop off of there. Some clips stayed on, but then these clips came off and they stayed in their holes, so we'll get those out of there. Looks like this wire runs and connects underneath the carpet somewhere. I see it coming through. Take this old strip of tape off right here. Alright, now if you guys have the illuminated plates like I do, you will need a trim tool remover, and you need to pop out this one clip up here in the front. There's a connection right there that you need to access. Cool, got the old dented up one out. See, I busted it up right there. Oh well though, it's old, I don't really care about it. Not much use to me. Now if you guys don't have illuminated Sill plates, this is a much quicker process because you don't have to disconnect the wire, obviously. But if you have illuminated ones like I do, let's go get this baby plugged in. There's our new strip of tape right there. Before reinstalling, get a cleaning solution. I just got some rubbing alcohol on a rag here and clean up the area that it's gonna tape, that the tape on the Sill will go to. How I like to do mine so that this tape doesn't stick too early, I fold it over so I've got a tab that'll be sticking out. Then we'll clip this whole thing on, and then I'll pull the cover on the tape off and stick it on there. Give it all a good tap, make sure it's in there. Sorry if you guys can't see it, but here's the little red tab. Stuck on there pretty good. Let's get this plugged back in. Cool, nice to have this done, nice to have this out the way. It's been on my mind for months, almost 2 months now, as you guys saw. Ever since I pulled those front seats out, got that knocked out. Now, you guys probably saw I didn't pull the plastic off of there. I don't know about you guys, but I'm one of those weirdos where, like, I get a new phone or something, I keep that plastic over my phone for like 2 weeks. So the OCD in me just wouldn't let me pull that off yet. Try to keep it nice as long as possible. I know, it makes 0 sense. Check out the new shirts, huh? Got the logo. Got the logo on the back. Come on, man. ZT Zoomin. Shout out to my aunt and her friend who does shirts. Made it back to the crib, you guys. Yo, check this out. This might be the most important part of the whole vlog. Definitely, in my opinion, it is. Got the dopest sticker out there. Make sure you guys go vote. I don't care who you vote for. It's not about political parties. It's about doing our civic duty. Be prepared to see just like a short 30-second to 1-minute video on how to replace your door sill. Because as you guys know, I like to put the how-to videos out there, and I don't want somebody to have to watch this vlog, go through all the minutia just because they want to see how to replace the door sill. This guy over here, breathing all hard, man. Messing up the whole shot, old man. This guy's about to be 12 years old in 2 months, you guys. It's my best friend right here, man. It's my ride or die. So if you guys like this video, drop a like, drop a comment down below. But this your boy ZT Zoomin. I'm keeping it moving, baby, and I'm out. Peace.